Sibika udaba oluthi umphakathi ukhala ngabanikazi bokufika bezipaza abadayisa iziphuzo ezingekho ezingeni elifanele. Umphakathi usuveze ukukhathazeka okukhulu ngabanye abanikazi bezitolo zezipaza okuthiwa abadayisa iziphuzo neminye imikhiqizo engahlangabezani nezinga elifanele. Abanye emphakathini bathi khona bokufika okungabanikazi bezitolo abasolwa ngokukhiqiza nokudayisa imikhiqizo yomgunyathi okuthiwa ingaba ingozi empilweni yabathengi.
You are selling us wrong stuff. Last time I came here for beans.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? When I want it was wrong here. I want it was wrong.
You see, Johnny?
This is wrong.
What's wrong?
You can see there's a difference.
What's the difference?
The other one is dark, the other one is light. You don't see the difference. It's a company. It's a company for who? For South Africa.
So where I must make
I never. You are making your own drink and then you're selling us wrong things. You can't what?
I can't. How
You
am I
can't
saying?
what?
If I have company,
You can't what?
my mama, don't do that.
It's not the first time I buy something which is you are also
No,
selling
you know
wrong
what?
things.
No, I'm not selling wrong thing.
I am telling you, beans last time it was a wrong thing.
You know what?
You are selling wrong
Anything-
stuff for us.
You know what? Let's say that I'm not selling the wrong thing for us. I said me like.
Where do you stock this?
You know what? Where stock? I will show you. I have sleep everything.
That's
Yeah, I
not my
can't-
Soweto.
You know what?
If you can look at this product, which one is the
You know
original?
what? It's not a product. Sometimes you see dark, sometimes it's not my problem, mom.
It's not your
The
problem.
company is
It's not your
Me, I'm
problem.
like-
Why don't you check your stock?
No, where I'm stock.
Why don't you check your stock?
You know what? Let me tell something.
You are stocking from Coco. You're stocking from your Pakistan.
Isambane News, sibuya nazo sishisa.